Keeping your car well maintained during the lockdown is key to minimising issues. Follow these simple but important steps to help keep it in good shape. Check all your fluid levels before starting the engine. Not having the right amount of brake fluid or enough oil in the car could do some serious damage if it's not topped up. Remember to wipe the dipstick before checking it to ensure your reading is correct. Not all cars have a dipstick to check the oil level. If this is the case on your car, be sure to check the oil level indicator displayed in the cockpit. Start the engine and leave it running for at least 15 minutes. This helps give the battery a charge and the dashboard will highlight any warnings too. Remember to never leave your car unattended when the engine is running. To avoid your brakes seizing up, you should move the car a short distance. Do this whilst you have the engine running too, so you can maintain control over the vehicle. Idle tyres may lose some pressure, so use a pressure gauge to make sure all tyres are at the correct levels. If you're losing pressure at an unusual rate, you could have a slow puncture, which you should fix before driving. Whilst you're at it, make sure each tyre meets the legal requirements for tread depth. Keeping your car's bodywork clean is still important when it's not being driven, as this will help to protect the paint and keep it looking good for years to come. Check out our separate video on how to wash your car properly at home. Finally, and contrary to popular belief, it's better to fill your fuel tank before leaving your car to stand. This prevents condensation building up, which could lead to damage further down the line.